Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to talk about how to send money from the USA to Pakistan. So we're going to be using our Wise app. So first thing you have to do is open the app, and from here, just click on send, and then it's going to ask you who you are sending to. So if your recipient is already added to your Wise app, just click on their name here. But if not, click on add a recipient, and then we're going to select the currency. So we're just gonna select Pakistani rupee, and then select that. And then you have three options to add a recipient. You can either find them on Wise using their Wise tag, email, or mobile number, enter their bank account details, or capture their bank account details if they're available to you. Also, you can choose pay by email. So if you know their bank details, just click on enter bank details. And then you'll be asked who you're sending to, if it's yourself or someone else, so just pick someone else. And then it's going to ask you their email and then their bank account number. So once you put in their bank account details, it's now going to ask you the amount that you're going to be sending. Obviously, we're going to be sending in USD, and they will be getting Pakistani rupee. And if you look up the top right corner here, you can see the exchange rate. You can click on that to see the information and the rate history. So for now, say we're going to be sending 150 US dollars. They're going to be getting 41,773 Pakistani rupee. And over here, you can select what account you're going to use to pay this. You could either select wire transfer, you can use a bank account, international wire transfer, a debit card, credit card, or even your Wise USD balance. So once that's set, it's also going to tell you when that will arrive. But if you're not happy with that, you can schedule it for a later date. And over here, it's also going to show you the total fees and taxes. You can see the breakdown and even a comparison. So once you're happy with all the information here, just click on continue. It'll then show you a summary of the fees and everything that you need to confirm the transaction. And once you submit it, the money will be promptly sent to your recipient in Pakistan. So let me know if you have any questions, and see you on the next video.